Can you see my screen? Let's deal with what I have here.
Mm, it's just coming up. Okay, yes.
Okay, now talking about agency. What do you understand by the word agency?
Agency. Agency, I want to refer to be like an organization.
Okay.
Is an organization that has been set up um, with its goals and objectives, or with goals and objectives to achieve a particular purpose, as in with its own goals and objectives. Is an organization that has been set up with its own goals and objectives.
Okay. In business law, in simple terms, you can actually say agency is a legal relationship between an agent, who is a person having the authority or capacity to create legal relationship between a principal and a third party. Agency. I'm the third party between. I'm the middleman. Let us put that middleman between you and me. The middleman between the owner of the house and the tenant is the agent.
Mm.
The work which is doing is
Okay,
agency. Do
okay,
you get
okay,
that?
okay, okay. Mm.
Agency is an aspect of law of contract and is considered an exception to the doctrine of privity of contract. Agency relationship is a consensual relationship between two persons, the principal and the agent. An agent is expressly or implied authorized by the principal to act on his behalf in dealings with third party. Now, I told you agent is what?
An agent.
Yeah.
An agent is a person that serves as a third party
Okay.
to that serves as a third
Not
party
the third
between.
party. Not
Eh?
the third party. He serves as the middleman
Okay, that's sorry.
between the
That serves as a
principal
middleman between the principal and the and
with third
an
party.
indi and the okay and the third party. Okay, oh
Yeah.
okay, and the third party.
Now they said agency
Yeah.
can an agent can act on behalf of the principal, either expressly or implied. Expressly means I'm telling you in person, Bidemi, this house that I built to, you be the agent. Anybody that wants to collect it, they'll pay to you. You guys have the agreement, and the money being paid to you, just remit it to me every year. I told you. That's expressly. I expressly stated it. I stated everything
Mm.
is stated there. What and what you be doing, what and what you won't be doing is stated there. But implied actually mean it's not like I directly told you to do so, but just like I suggested it. Like, okay, agency. We were talking about Alhaji moving from Lekki to Lagos Island the other day, and I said that okay, you want to leave home today, you meet Alhaji. Alhaji is going to Lagos Island. You say, Alhaji, let me drive. If you are going to Lagos Island, let me drive. Tomorrow again, the
Mm.
same thing. Next tomorrow again, the same thing. Then maybe like next a week later, Alhaji's wife is going to Lagos Island, and you're also going the same time. And Alhaji says, okay, guy, Alpha, let me carry and go Lagos Island. In a week, you're already taking Alhaji and his family to Lagos Island times. Alhaji already implied that you're a driver to him. He did not actually state it to you that you're a driver to him. But since you are
Mm.
taking him to Lagos Island and he's paying you once a while, you're already a driver to him in one kind of place, in one way or the other. Do you
Mm.
get me?
Yeah.
Now, agency may arise in any of the following. It is said by agreement. Both of us agree, whether contractual, expressly or implied. We agree together. Now, by subsequent ratification by principal of acts done on his behalf, by operation of the law under doctrine of necessity. Now, these are the three main parts in which an agency might arise. Now, by agreement, what do you think by agreement is?
there is a there is agreement means that is between the principal, him and the principal. That is between the agent and the principal. They've come to a there's a there's a word I'm trying to use. There's a contract between them.
By agreements, let us put it
That means
simply. Agreement, both of
he
us are
has
coming together to a
they
common
have
term.
yes. There's
Both
a
of us are coming
common
together to a common term that, okay, guy Alpha,
mhm.
you be my
This
driver.
is what I want you to do.
This is what I want you to
Mm,
do. Both of us agreed on it. By subsequent
mm,
ratification by the principal, that means ratification actually means the action of signing or giving formal consent. That means subsequent ratification is actually telling us that, okay, oh, he has been doing this. Alaji and me now, I've been driving Alaji to Lekki, to Lagos Island, day in, day out. In this
mm,
particular scenario, it's actually telling me that by the act I'm doing on behalf of Alaji, oh, I'm already an agent. I'm already a driver to Alaji in that particular manner with Alaji's go ahead. Do you get me?
yeah.
The first one, Alaji, me and Alaji agreed, let me be your driver. The second one is because of the act I'm doing that happened that me and I'm later Alaji's driver. Do you get me?
Mm,
Then the third one, by operation of the law, under the doctrine of necessity. That means when it is so necessary that this person should be your agent. In the case of, in the case of, okay, in the case of a will now, you can actually please that the lawyer is the agent of the person who died.
okay. Oh,
Because either I like it or
mm,
not, that person's will oh, is to be read out by somebody. It will not be read out by the person who
mm,
died now. Abi,
yeah.
it
Yeah.
will be read out by somebody. So that person is acting on behalf of the principal, which is the person that died, to the third party, which was those that want to collect that particular property. Do you get that?
Yes.
Okay, moving on. So please, agency relationship may arise in any of the following ways: agreement, whether contractual or not, subsequent ratification by the principal, operation of the law. Don't forget these things. Do
Okay.
not forget these three
Agreement,
points.
subsequent ratification, or operation by law. Mm,
Now, moving on. Um, Effect of agency. So actually, just this is just wordings. Effect of agency. Well, why I'm being an agent to you, what I get to do as your agent, as somebody standing in place of you. Do you get me? I'm not acting on
mm,
behalf of myself. I'm acting on your behalf. Once I'm your agent, I'm not acting on your behalf. This is what you
mm,
expect me to do. I'm to do. That's for me to do that I'm supposed to do because you want you actually it's something you do normally, but I'm acting on your behalf because I'm
mm.
your what
Agent.
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 Now, other agency we'll talk about trustee. On love trusts, you should have talked about trusts. The trustee is a
Mm,
person whom legal title to a property has been transferred for the benefit of
mm,
another. Although,
mm,
like an
mm,
agent, the trustee acts for someone else, the beneficiary. He's not an agent because the beneficiary is not privy to contract. Now, trustee is just me holding the legal document to this particular building. My grandpa gave his lawyer the legal document to the particular building of his Banana Island in Lekki. Maybe he told him that when I'm 20 years old, oh, you should give me. He's actually acting on behalf of my grandpa in one way and on behalf of me in one way too. Because when I'm 20, he's meant to give me that particular document paper. I'm the owner of that particular listing. My grandpa has transferred ownership to him. Do you get me?
mm.
He's the middleman
Yes.
between my grandpa and me. Now,
Yes.
guarantor or surety. A guarantor or surety is someone who binds himself, usually by deed, to satisfy the obligation of one another. Guarantor, just as you have it everywhere. Guarantor, I'm standing in for you. I'm an agent for you. That means if you are looking for
Mm,
this person, you can look for him through me. If there's
mm,
something you want to discuss with this person, you can discuss it with me through me.
mm. Mm.
Bailment. Bailment is